Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and transfer money from Zenith Bank app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, first of all, what you have to do is for access your particular Zenith Bank app that you have installed on your mobile phone and simply sign in with the account you would like to make the transfer with. Afterwards, as you can see, we even have highlighted the particular option below called the transfer with the arrow icon. Go ahead, tap on that particular icon. Once you have done so, this kind of other interface gonna pop up regarding the transfer. You can see transfer history on top as well. Afterwards, you simply gotta go ahead, select account. You're simply gonna tap on this drop down icon beside it. If you have any saved account right there, you will find the details. You can simply tap on it and choose the one. Otherwise, you do have 5 options below. It also lets you transfer money to your own account as well, and you can see this is Zenith Bank if the account is in the same bank. Otherwise, if it's other, simply tap on other bank, choose the bank, or if it's foreign transfer, you can do that as well. Choose the country, and once you choose any of the method, here in this below section you will be able to find this option of select a destination account as well. Once you have selected the account, you will gonna enter a person's information as it is asked for according to the option that you have chosen on top. Once you have entered the information, enter the amount that you would like to transfer. Once you have completed the transfer, you can tap on it, enter the code, that security code of yours. Once you're done, you will be able to receive your transfer receipt, which is gonna look like this right over here. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.